Hello everyone. We're gonna see if the second time's a charm. I tried going live a few minutes ago and it was not cooperating with me. So let's see. Hey, my sweet friend Diane. Let me know if this video is blurry, fuzzy. I tried going live a few minutes ago and it wouldn't connect. So I had to get off and come back. So, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. And I'm going to turn y'all down. And y'all let me know if it gets fuzzy or you can't see. It disconnected from me a few minutes ago, so. Okay. It's been crazy the last few days, so I didn't have a lot of prep time. We got home late last night, went to work this morning, so today has been kind of crazy. It's okay, well good. I hope it stays connected this time because it just disconnected me a few minutes ago. So hopefully we'll get through this one. Okay, so what I did, I picked up some jars from the Dollar Tree, and these are glass, but they have a plastic lid. You can use jars that you buy, or you can use pickle jars again. You know, we made scarecrows out of the pickle jars the other night. This is a jar from, I think, some spaghetti sauce. I usually make homemade spaghetti sauce, but I think this was actually some that we bought, or either it was some salsa. So if you got jars, you can use them for other things besides just chunking them in the trash. I'm going to show y'all. This I made a couple of years ago, and it still sits in my kitchen. And this is a wood pedestal that I got from Michael's. And all I did was glued it to this pickle jar. I put a bow on the front, and then the lid, I Mod Podged some scrapbook paper, and I put me a handle on it. You know, the little pulls. I pick them up when Hobby Lobby has them 50% off. I'll buy some drawer pulls, some little knobs. And I like for them to be different shapes and different sizes, different, you know. This is another little wooden pedestal that I got from Michael's. And I think this was a peanut butter jar, if I'm not mistaken. And you just drill a hole in it. And I painted the lid white with chalk paint. And then I did the scrapbook paper on top with some Mod Podge and put a bow on it. So I still use these, and I've made those a couple of years ago. So, but these jars I had gotten from the Dollar Tree. And this is my wood burner. I love this little wood burner. It's hot. You have to be real careful with it. With the metal jar lids, I just use a drill. Drill a little hole in it, and you're done. And this, you could probably use your hot glue gun, the tip of it. Miss Robin gave us that tip the other night. So I'll show you one that I love. This one, excuse me, is porcelain. It's like a porcelain. It's probably really ceramic. But I mean, this is the simplest thing that you can do. And so you could Mod Podge scrapbook paper on the top. You could paint it. I'm fixing to show you another little set that I use in my extra bathroom. Out to eat, watching a movie. Now this one sits in my extra bathroom. And it was 2 jars that I had gotten from Dollar General. And they have the metal lids. They screw on. And all I did was drill a hole in it, paint the top with chalk paint. I put Q-tips in one, and the bigger one I put cotton balls in. And this actually, so I think, oh, it came back on. Am I losing y'all? It looks like it keeps going out and in. Hey y'all. I hope I don't lose y'all. But anyway, this is just something simple and cute. I'm gonna put a few more cotton balls in here, and I'll put Q-tips or something else to go in there. You can put the dental floss little picks. I buy them. I bought some more today. I love those. And so you could put those in one. But this is just something simple. It's and very, useful. I love them. And you don't have to buy your jars. You can use pickle jars. You can use salsa jars. And like I said, I used the pickle jar, and then I used I think that was a peanut butter jar. And this little sticky is gonna be contrary. Let me see if I can pull another one off. There, that one came off easier. But if you don't have a wood burning tool, I bet the end of your hot glue gun would work just fine. Now the plastic I don't recommend to drill, but the metal ones you could just drill it. But that little thing has been so handy. And you just put a little knob on there. I love these little knobs from Hobby Lobby, and they'll run them 50% off. And voila. And there you have it. There's my sweet mama. So, y'all, that's all I have for tonight, because life's been crazy. Life's been busy. Life's been a little hectic the last couple of days. So, I'll have a longer craft for y'all, maybe Tuesday night. But I just wanted to show y'all, these came from the Dollar Tree, and the handle, little knobs, came from Hobby Lobby. You can even use jars that you already got. The pedestals that I used on these came from Michael's. So you could use candlesticks. I will see if I have one in here, but I don't. You could use candlesticks or any kind of little, there, I got a barrel. You could even put a barrel on it and put something in here. Isn't that cute? This came from Hobby Lobby. I stained it. So, just get creative. If you got old candles that you bought, when you get through with the wax, you can pour the wax out, get it hot, melt it when it's down there at the bottom. And then you could use this as a pedestal and put it on there. Paint it if you wanted to, or do anything. Just get creative. So I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. Make something pretty. Get inventive and creative, and make something that's neat and that's all about you. And yeah, take some idea that I've given you and change it up and make it your own. There's my sweet friend, Miss Robin. We just made some little jars. So, pick up your it's a glass Dollar Tree jar and a handle from Hobby Lobby, and make you some jars. Or I just showed the ones from Dollar General, the glass jars with the metal lid that I use. And then I showed these, the pickle jar. You put candy in them with the pedestal. So, yeah, that's what we did. It was a short live. So we've had internet issues and all kind of craziness tonight. That just is part of it. So I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. Thank you, Miss Robin. I appreciate that. So until next time, I guess Tuesday night, I will see y'all live. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy it. Remember, I love you all. Get creative and make something pretty and unique. Good night, y'all. Bye-bye.